Alright, great news. So we figured out the issue. It's just a bad condenser fan motor. I don't have any of those in my truck today, so we're going to have to come back out tomorrow and get that thing swapped out for you.
Damn, Ron, come on! What's the matter with you?
I just figured we can do it tomorrow.
There is no tomorrow!
Bro, where are your clothes? It's not that hot in here. Matter of fact, it's only 76 degrees. Excuse me, ma'am. Why is he wearing boxing gloves?
There is no tomorrow! There is no tomorrow!
Look, I don't know what you guys got going on out here, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave.
I'm dying here. It's giving me like agony. I can't sleep at night, but it's gonna be ground down to this flat-faced image. Please.
Yeah, I understand. I mean, we could try to put a window unit in there in the meantime, but other than that, there's not really much I can do for you.
That's it! He's finished! It's over! That's it!